Hello guys, my name is Michael and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about one very important tool which I use it a lot, which I find it very interesting. I'm quite sure there are many out there and probably you are got used with them, I don't know, but I want to show you why I like this tool so much, and maybe you will like it too. So that being said, let us check a little bit about this tool. So I'm going to Google. It is called a gPick. Maybe you know about it. As you can see, here is its homepage and says gPick is an advanced color picker and palette editing tool. I think the name says everything. Manufacturer says magnification and mouse pointer control with keyboard, automatic color name and segment, export to following formats and so on, importing, oversampling, palette from image and so on, and there are a lot of things which I'm going to let you for yourself to discover them for yourself. Okay, so that being said, it is about gPick. It is quite easy to install it, and I'm saying this because I'm using now Linux Mint, and you all you need to do is to open your terminal and type the following: sudo apt get install gPick. After that, of course, you type your password and you wait until it gets installed. I already have it because I wanted to have it installed. So now I'm going to close the terminal because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to search for it. gPick is right here, and of course I'm going to send it to my panel. Now that the program is here, I'm going to close this window here and I'm going to run the program. Let us talk a little bit about the program, not too much. Let me remove these things here because we really don't need them and so on. As you can see in this window, we have a menu with its information about this tool, and then you have the color picker, you have a scheme generation, which is very interesting. I mean, here you can create some colors for yourself. Maybe you'll say, yeah, I can do it another. Of course you can, but this is something special. I mean, you can choose a color you can choose one color, or you can choose two colors at the same time by linking them together. So what I mean it is, let me show you something. I'm going right here at the button and I'm going to right click, and as you can see at this point we have linked unchecked. What this means now I can change this color and I can change the other color as well, or I can click here, change this one, and the way you choose is the way you which side you choose to change. This one right here, it will change the left side, and this one will change the right side, and of course the middle one here help you to be more sure and to choose a more particular field of these colors. And what's special about this is that you can link them both. So this means now I'm going to right click, I'm going to hit link right here, and now watch, when I'm going to turn this pointer right here, what happens? You see, they are changing both. So this is basically the important thing which you can do with this application. Okay, you have also the layout where you can create buttons and a lot of stuffs, home buttons and whatever. I will let you to decide for yourself. Because for me it's important now in our GTK application, because everything it's somehow linked to GTK, but you can use it in all other application or websites or wherever you are using with as well. So I'm going back to the first tab, which is the color picker. As you can see here, this tab is very important because this tab helps you to choose a color. Here on the left, as you can see, where the pointer, where my mouse pointer is the part where you actually see the color when you are hovering over a picture maybe or something, and you can see right here in this field the color name. As you can see, I'm playing now with the mouse pointer, and you see the colors which the mouse pointer sees them, and also its code right here. It's hexadecimal. Yes, sorry, I was thinking about something else. Okay, hex. Okay, that being said, let us make some a demonstration. I'm going to minimize and bring it on the right a little bit, and I have a GTK already application, which is just defaults to one window, nothing special. As you can see, just a window with no color and nothing. And of course we have a CSS file which which, as you can see, it has nothing, no style at all, and so on. And now let us go back to our browser. I'm going to Google and I'm going to type whatever, HD wallpaper, whatever. I just want to show you something here. We can go to pictures. Mine is in German, and you can search a picture which you like it. And let me see a picture from where you can choose colors. One which doesn't have so many. Or maybe I'm going to let this one right up here. I saw one interesting, this one right here. So okay, now let me see. I'm going to open this picture. I hope I can open it, because let me see. Okay, I don't like this stuff, so I'm not going to do this way. I'm going to save it to my computer, save image as I'm going to call it test picture, and now I'm going to open it to see if it works. It works. I'm going to close now the browser because we don't need it anymore. We are not interested in browser now. So what's this? Oh, okay, I tried to delete something and it's still there. Okay, so now as you can see, we have the picture right here, this one. And I need to extract some colors which I'm interested from this picture, because the way how this picture looks like has some particular colors which I like. And how do I do that? Well, let us concentrate. Let me see here. As you can see here, we have different kind of blue, which are dark, which are hell, and so on. And I'm going to choose those colors. For this, you have the opportunity to set these colors to pick and save every possible color which you think that you need to inspect it. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, here's our program, the way it looks like. I'm going to hover over the picture, and you will see here its color, and also here its code. And down here says click on swatch area to begin adding color to palette, and once that I'm moving my pointer there, says that I need to hit space to save it. So or at least it should say what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this color right here, which is 0DF1F2. So I'm going to press space. As you can see, it is right here saved. Now I'm going to choose the second one, which is right here. I don't see it very well. I'm not sure if it's 01B1C1, so I'm going to zoom a little bit. From here you have zoom, so I'm going to zoom to 24, and now 01BFC9. Okay, I'm going to choose this one now, and it's not working. Why is not working? Let me go back to Where is it? This one right here. It doesn't choose it. Why? Strange. Let me choose the red one right here. It's still not working. Why? Because somehow I need to change. Maybe here is 1. Let me change it to 2. So I'm going to press 2. It's not changing. And this means no, now it's working. I need to hit, I think, in this area. I'm not sure why exactly, because me, when I'm choosing a color, I'm actually choosing only one, not much more than this. So now it's working fine, as you can see. Now I'm going to see this red right here, not every red, but this one right here, and it works fine. And then I go down here to this one as well, and now, as you can see, we have 4 colors. I can choose how many do I need. So this means it didn't work because I needed to click here. Me, I'm clicking all the time in the top corner right here where this red dot is, and once that I'm clicking here, then when I go to some special color which I need to pick it, like this one, it's working fine when I hit space. Yes. Okay, so that being said, we have the colors, which means now you have the opportunity to use these colors, not just by starting to memorize them or to writing down on a paper. You just hit right click and you will see once. Now you select it and right click and says clip to clipboard, and here you have some options, which is the hex, which is the RGB, and the last one, HSL, it doesn't work. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm not using this one. So basically you can choose one of it by clicking on it. Now we move to our GTK application, background color. It is right here, and of course you can just right click and paste it, edit, paste, or Control V. Now that we have this color, I'm going to compile it and run the program, and as you can see, we have this color which we choose to have it. I'm going back now to I'm going to close the picture because we don't need it anymore. Now I'm going to choose this one right here, right click, copy to clipboard, and I'm going to choose RGB. So I'm just going to click on it, and I'm moving right here. I'm deleting this, and as you can see, background color RGB 14824 and 21, which is our desired color, and works fine. So basically this is the way how I choose my colors when I need a special color which I need to create it or something like this, and I'm not sure about that, but I see at some point somewhere a color and I like it. This is the way how I pick this color. It's not by searching on some SG table, color table or something like this. I'm just using gPick because it is a very powerful tool, at least for me, and maybe some of you will find it also important as well as I do. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.